Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel The Cooking Diaries. This is Keertana. In today's video, we're gonna see one of the popular South Asian appetizer, veg momos with momo chutney. Momos are usually made with maida, but instead to make it healthier, I'm gonna use wheat flour. So let's quickly check out the recipe. So firstly, for preparing the dough, I'm taking 1 cup of wheat flour, some salt as required, 1 tablespoon of oil. Combine well. When you have a crumble texture, start adding water gradually. Do not add all water at once. Add it in batches. And knead it into a soft and smooth dough. Now tuck the dough. Grease with some oil. Now cover and rest for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, for preparing momo stuffing, heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, half a tablespoon of chopped ginger. Saute. Do not burn the garlic and ginger. After few minutes, it turns aromatic. Now add in 2 teaspoons of chopped green chilies. You can adjust the spice according to your taste. Now I'm gonna add in 1 medium sized onion chopped and cook the onion until it turns translucent. And I'm gonna add in half cup of grated carrot. Saute. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. After 3 minutes, carrot shrinks. Now add in 1 cup of shredded cabbage and cook for about 5 minutes on medium flame until the raw flavor goes. After 5 minutes, you can see that the stuffing is now completely cooked. Add some salt as required. Half teaspoon of crushed pepper, 1 teaspoon red chili sauce, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon dark soya sauce. Mix well. Now at last, I'm gonna add in half teaspoon of sugar as well. Mix once. And turn off the stove and let it cool. After 15 minutes, knead the dough once again. Pinch a small ball sized dough and roll it. Now dust some flour, flatten it and roll it in a small size like a puri. Now place 1 tablespoon of momo stuffing, assemble and start to pleat. Now our momo is ready to be steamed. Now in a steamer or a cooker, place some cabbage or lettuce and place the momos in it. Cover it and steam for about 12 minutes on medium flame. Meanwhile, for preparing momos chutney, I have taken about 3 medium sized tomatoes and 1 small sized onion. Now mark X at the bottom of the tomatoes. Now in the boiling water, add these tomatoes and the roughly chopped onions, 4 red chilies as well. And let it boil for about 20 seconds and not more than that. After it is boiled, now add these in a cold water so that the cooking process will be stopped. and peel the skin of the tomatoes. Now in a blender jar, squeeze in the tomatoes. Add boiled chilies and onions, 4 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, half a teaspoon of sugar, some salt as required, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now blend this into a smooth fine paste. Now our momo chutney is ready. Garnish it with some green chilies. After 12 minutes, open it. As you can see, the momos are now cooked completely. And serve the momos hot with momo chutney. It is cooked inside and out beautifully. So please do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. So thank you for watching my video guys. Feel free to comment. For more updates, click on the bell icon below and do not forget to like, share and subscribe.